Yo, 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 what's happening, guys? Metaverse Melon here. How are we all today? So, we're back with another video. Yesterday, we've done the Spark giveaway. I gave away the 3.5 Spark, so that was really good. I've offered one Spark as well for 1 week to the player what entered. Couldn't see in the comments down below, but I took like the player's obviously word for it. So, we will be giving one Spark away. So, if you see this video right now, just put your address or message me at James UK and we'll add that one Spark because I will be finished my ranch house shortly. So, if you don't know, I'm building a lot of structures in Granada Hills right now, raising the floor, building the node out, so like we're actually got a really good community there. And if you actually look here, you can see the 1.69 Spark, and then currently this ranch house is nearly finished building. So what we're going to do is once this is finished in 18 hours, so tomorrow night we'll basically give away the Spark for 1 week to the player what actually never got entered into the competition. And then L Slack actually won the competition as well, so congratulations. Your Spark's already been put onto the structure right now, so we will be running another Spark giveaway, right now. So what we will do is offer 2 Spark. What we're going to do is give the 2 Spark for 5 days again. All you have to do is have an active structure in Granada Hills or LA, and then also be subscribed to this YouTube channel. If both of those criteria are met, you can comment down below on this video your IGN, your Upland in-game username, and then there'll be 2 Spark ready for the winner. We will pick the winner on Sunday. I am off work on Sunday. I've made it clear that I can't work Sunday, so we will be doing the winner giveaway video and that, and we'll be giving away the 2 Sparks. If you want to jump on that, put your IGN, your in-game username down below in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're not already. Click that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So this is LA. This is where I basically buy all my properties. This is an NFT trading game, so everything is an NFT. All the properties are mapped to the real world, so every single property you buy and sell, you can actually like create a yield off, which is rent. So if I actually go into one of the properties right now, you can actually see anything in blue is my property, anything in green is for sale, anything in like this white kind of colour grey is unminted, so these are properties no one's bought yet, and then any of these properties have been bought but they're not for sale, so they're just owned properties. You can see the blue property here right now, 82 UP2, but it brings in 116 UPX every single month, so they actually make yield, so you can actually buy more properties, and then after you own them for like mine's 2 weeks, I can actually sell for dollars, so I could actually list this for $6-7 and sell it within a couple of weeks, or I could like put it up for $10 and then raise the floor, kind of like what I'm doing in Granada Hills right now. So if you don't know already, Granada Hills is a node that we're currently building out, and we've got 260 properties. Well, I've got 260 properties now in Granada Hills, and I plan to get that up to about 350 in 2 weeks time. Once I get paid again, we'll grow that very up, like significantly, like raise the floor again, get the floor up to about $10. So if you want to get property right now, I'd suggest you get in, and then in about 2 weeks time, next Friday, so 2 weeks tomorrow, we will be giving away we will be buying a lot more properties in Granada Hills, so we will see the floor raising up. So once the floor raises up, if you bought the property for $5, $6 right now, and then the floor goes up to $10, it just means you've got a 40% profit margin there created, so you've got more like chance to sell your property for a higher markup. So that's really cool. The community is really cool as well, so if you want to jump on the Discord node down below, the Granada Hills Discord node, you can actually go chat to the players, see which is actually going on in Upland right now, and especially Granada Hills. And if you want to join on Upland, if you're new to the game, you can use the link down in the description below to sign up today. Just a way to actually put money in. This is not financial advice, but I put in about $500 to $1,000 every single month, and I plan to grow that over the next 10 years, and my plan is to grow LA. I love LA because like there's so many properties what aren't unminted yet. It gives me about a 2 to 3 year window where I can actually like do my strategy with low prices instead of like going into Manhattan or somewhere where it's going to be very like cost effective. So LA is a place where I can actually get a lot of property, a lot of like foundation, and then once I start raising the floor, you'll see it with Granada Hills over the next year, and then that will be a bigger plan in the next 5-10 years where it will be the whole of LA. So yeah, a lot come in, a lot of businesses, a lot of factories, showrooms, cafes, all the racing, everything we're going to go through. Staying away from the Web3 stuff, so if you want to go and check that out, there's a lot of other good channels. Love a lot of the content creators on Upland, you know, Mark Ferguson, the Upland Guide, Lloydie Doyle's back, Thank Me Later, you know, Too Stupid to Win. Really good people to actually like check their YouTube videos out, check their Upland content out, see which is actually going on. They've been in Upland a lot longer than I have, so you'll get a lot of knowledge behind the scenes, like when stuff was released. It's really cool to watch them and actually like learn more about Upland, and especially talking to the founders as well. So I'm just planning to like keep buying and buying as many properties as I can. You can see I've actually got 910 properties right now, so I buy properties as cheap as possible. So like I'd rather buy like 10 properties at 10,000 UPEX than one property at 100,000 UPEX. That's just because I can get visits. So every property, if someone hits on it, you get like a certain amount of UPEX. So if I've got 10 chances to get hit instead of one, that's more UPEX into my account. Also, it's easier to sell a property at 10,000 UPEX than 100,000 UPEX because more people have got $10 than they've got $100. So like your properties available to a bigger market, a bigger audience. And then also with buying like those properties as well, you've got more chance to flip them as well. So like they're very easy to flip, you know, at that price point as well. You can actually lower them down and just make more sales. So it's really cool. I do buy a lot of big properties to put in collections, so obviously getting the boost on a higher amount, but most of my money goes into like smaller properties. We will keep buying the floor up. You can actually see I usually use the dollar strategy, so I just click on the secondary market. You can see the floor's $3 right now. You can get property for 44 UP2, 48 UP2, and you can go all the way down. See this one here right now, 77. So if you just look on the market, you can actually find good deals. So right now that's bringing in 100 UPEX every single month. So I'd buy that every single day of the week, without going on to UPX Land or going on to other data sources to actually find this information. You can see that property is a good deal. I can see right there I'll get 8,500 UPEX back for that property. Definitely like over, I just put a property on sale this morning and it sold within 6 hours, doing the same strategy. I think I got a really good property last time on the video actually, and it was actually the property what sold. I just listed it today this morning before I got to work, and then it sold within like 6-7 hours, just with the price difference, you know. So if I'm selling this property for 8,500 UPEX, the floor's like higher than that, so the property looks like really cheap. So if I can get this deal, you know, actually get it for that price point, it means I can sell it for that in UPEX anyway. It's just so like such a good deal for other players to buy it, so I don't even have to do any work with that. I just need to have the initial investment, and then that property will sell within like 12 hours. We can list it for 8,500 UPEX, so we'll just click sell. We have to wait obviously till the ownership gets secured, so we'll come back to that. That property is added as well. We'll see if there's any other good deals quickly. 68, 349, so all these properties are really good. Let's see what the yield, so even that 88 a month is really cool as well, so we'll get that and add that to the property portfolio as well. And just really good deals. So if you actually look through the secondary market, you can find good strategies, and these properties are about 50-60% markup, so I can sell them for 90-100% markup and still make that difference in between. So like all these properties I can make about, if I put $1,000 into Upland, I could definitely make about $1,500 up to like 1,800, 2,000, but like you could definitely get 50% like by just selling these properties, you know, after you take the 5% Upland tax away. You need to remember about that. We'll just look for one more property, see if we can actually find something. That one's 64, 380. So let's have a look at this one quickly. 79 a little bit. It's got apartments and stuff around it, so that's cool, but we're going to leave that for now. And there's not always a property to buy either, you know. It's not like you have to just sit and buy stuff on Upland. That's like really good. Like when the market's down, when Granada Hills is dropped, or someone's put a property on for like $3, $4, that's like a good way to get a great investment. So like don't ever think that the floor low is like a bad thing. Like it's a way to actually get into the game, and like I'm going to be on Upland for the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years, so I don't plan to actually like, I don't worry about where the money's going, like, because I don't have any interest in drawing the money out for at least 5-10 years, you know. If there's an emergency, I could definitely sell a few properties. I'm confident that I can get it out right now, but I don't plan to. Like I plan to like just keep growing it. I want to see that yield just go up and go up. So this one's here, 76 UP2, 106, which is really cool actually. That's like a good deal. So we'll go crosswalks. Hopefully this goes through. I wish you didn't have to do this, but like it is, I understand why you do it, but I don't normally get it right, but that time it's gone through. So we'll just add this one quickly as well, and then we'll go on that to my bank card, and then thank you so much, Shadow Epic. Now we've got this property, 420. That'll go through in a few minutes as well, so we'll add that to the portfolio. So we'll leave the properties there tonight. These properties will make me a little bit of extra income, you know, like the rent as well. So even if they don't sell, I've got like an extra 350, 400 UPEX coming in every single month. So now if we actually look at the properties, you can see 113,685 UPEX every single month, so we're getting really close to 115,000 UPEX, which will be 90,000 is bringing me in 3,000 UPEX a day, so 99,000 is bringing me in 3,300, so 102 is 3,400, 105, so 108, 112, so if you 99, so like, what is that going to be? So 99 is 3,300, and then 12, 102, 105, 108, 11, and then 14. So once that gets to 14, so let's actually add it up quickly. So if we go to calculator, and then on calculator I'm going to do 100, what is it? So 3 times, I don't actually know what I'm going to do. Wait, 113 divided by 3 equals 113. Actually, no, I'm trying to work it out. So 90 will be 3,000 UPEX, 120 will be 4,000 UPEX. So take away the 6, so that gets to 14. So it'll be 3,800 UPEX. So yeah, 3,800 UPEX. Once I get that up to 114,000, we'll be earning 3,800 UPEX every single day. And then if you think about the visits on top, it'll get us closer to 4,000 UPEX, so that's basically $4 every single day going back into the game if I don't even have to invest. So that'll just keep going onto my rent here, and then we'll get the visits. You can see here as well, actually going into the account. We'll collect the earnings right now and see where the account actually is. So now we're over 250,000, 255. That's because I bought the properties, but like we've actually added on about 1,300 UPEX as well. Try and getting this close to like 7.3. Probably by the end of the month, that'll be really cool, like as a little incentive. You know, we'll probably get closer to like 7.35, but hopefully we can get to that. But like, we'll see how the account goes. $2.32 still in the account, 1.69 spark, but tomorrow I'll get my 0.01 to 0.03, so we'll just add that back onto the apartment, what I'm building currently, and then we'll give that 1 spark away to the player what's actually not got the entry, and then we'll also give away 2 spark to the winner on Sunday. So if you want to enter that, all you have to do is have a property in Upland, have a property in LA and in Granada Hills, be subscribed to this YouTube channel. The property has to be active building right now, so me and the team can actually go and put spark straight onto it, and then if you meet all that criteria, you can actually enter it, put your IGN, your in-game username down below, and you can be entered into that. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video, get more people into Upland. If you want to sign up, use the link in the description below, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Peace.